Good morning, class 11, economics. As we have already started the topic theory of supply, in that we have already studied meaning of supply, types of supply, individual and market supply, supply curve, supply schedule. Today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is supply function. As I told in my previous lectures, whenever we talk about supply, we will always think from producer point of view, from businessman point of view. When we talk about demand, we always talk in reference to customer, and here we will talk in reference to business. So now what is supply function? Supply function shows functional relationship between quantity supply and its various determinants or various factors, कि how supply is going to affect with its different factors. What are those factors? These are factors, my dears. These are few factors which we are going to discuss, which are going to affect our supply. Due to change in these factors, our supply either will increase or it will decrease. So these factors and supply, what is the relation? Is it positive or is it negative? That function we are going to discuss with these various determinants is known as supply function. Or here you can also say factors affecting supply. Factors affecting supply. Explain the factors those इफेक्ट द सप्लाई. सप्लाई को कौन कौन से फैक्टर इफेक्ट करते हैं, किन फैक्टर्स की वजह से सप्लाई कैन इंक्रीज और इट कैन डिक्रीज. तो फर्स्ट फैक्टर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज, माय डियर, पीएक्स. पीएक्स स्टैंड्स फॉर प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. Price of the commodity means the commodity in which we are dealing, the commodity which we are selling. Suppose we are selling wheat. If wheat price goes up, the producer will always try to sell more and more, because more price means it will give opportunity to producer or a businessman to earn more profit. As I told, there is a positive relation between price and supply. There is a positive relation between price and supply. If price increases, supply will also increase. Why it is so? Because as a businessman, when would you like to sell more and more quantity? When price is more. Don't think from customer point of view here. Though we know that if price will increase, customer may or may not purchase, but here we will not think from customer point of view. Next, price of related goods. What are related goods? I am a businessman, I am dealing in food grain item, I am dealing with wheat as well as rice. So both are interrelated. Wheat can be replaced for rice, rice can be replaced for wheat. So they are interrelated product. So here, if suppose price of rice increases, so as a businessman, what you are supposed to do? I think you will say, sir, I will try to sell more and more rice. I will not put my focus on wheat, because wheat price are stagnant, they are constant. So I will sell more and more rice. Why? Because price of rice has increased, and due to increase in price of rice, it gives me more opportunity to earn profit. So this is the another factor which is going to affect our supply, that is price of related goods, wheat and rice. Next, price of factors of production. As you know, what is the meaning of factors of production? Factor of production means land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. The factors which helps in production. Now my dear, you tell me, if the price of factor of production increases, if labor charge increase, interest on loan increases, whatever fixed assets we purchase, they becomes costly, our price will increase or not? Definitely our price is going to increase, sir. So when price of factor of production increases, our cost of production will also increase. अगर हमारी फैक्टर्स की प्राइस बढ़ जाती है, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल की प्राइस बढ़ जाती है, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल एक्सेट्रा, if their price increases, तो we have to spend more on production. हमें गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने पे ज़्यादा खर्च करना पड़ेगा. Are you getting me? If we are spending more, it means its cost will increase, and if cost increases, price will also increase. Are you getting me? So in that case we may or may not be able to increase our supply because of increasing cost our profit margin reduces. मेरा profit margin क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. So this is the another factor which is going to affect our supply. What is the price of factor production? If it increases, definitely my cost of production will increase, and if my cost of production increases, it will reduce my profit margin, so I will not here increase the supply. But reverse is the case. If price of factor production reduces, then cost of production will go down, and it will increase my profit margin. So definitely I am going to sell more and more. Next, government policy. What are the government policies? Government policies related to tax, related to subsidy. If government starts charging more and more tax on its products, so definitely I have to pay more tax. If I am paying more tax, it means my profit margin again reduces. So here, what government policies are there? If the product which we are selling, they are under MSP, minimum support price. There are various products, wheat, rice, mustard and groundnuts. These products are purchased by the market, by the government at minimum support price. So such minimum support price also affect the market either positively or negatively. Next, technology. What technology is available in the market? Do we have advanced technology? Because if technology is advanced, our productivity will increase. And if productivity will increase, our cost of production reduces. क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी है. Suppose let us we have manual technology. Manual technology will give less production. And if we have technology, means we have machine and all, it will increase our production. And if production increases, it means productivity increasing. And if productivity increases, it will help me to supply more and more, because more productivity reduces my cost of the production. Next, future expectation. What is the meaning of future expectation? It means what do you feel about future? What do you think whether prices of the product are going to increase or decrease in the future? If you feel that in future price are supposed to increase, so today as a businessman, what will you do? Will you sell more today or will you sell less? I think you will say, sir, today I will sell less because I can see in future price बढ़ने वाली हैं, तो I will sell in future because if price goes high, I will earn more and more profit. So what is my future expectation? If I feel that in future prices are going to get down, if I feel price will go down, so today I will sell more and more, because if I will stock it and I will sell it in future, my profit margin will reduce. Next is NF. NF stands for number of firms. What is the meaning of number of firms? How many competitors are available in the market? How many firms are producing the same kind of products in which we are dealing? More the number of firms, more will be the supply. Less the number of firms, less will be the supply. अगर बेचने वाले ज़्यादा होंगे, बिजनेसमैन ज़्यादा होंगे, तो सप्लाई भी क्या होगी? ज़्यादा होगी. Next, other factors. In other factors like natural factors. What is the meaning of natural factors? Here, natural factor means those production which are totally in hands of nature, not in our hands, like agriculture products. In agriculture product, let us take example wheat, let us take example gram, let us take example this cotton, or sorry, not cotton, mustard. All these productions, all these crops are produced in winter season. Today it is summer. You want to sow wheat and all. So can you get the production of wheat? Can you get the production of rice, gram or mustard? No, because these things are not in our hand. These things are in nature hand. आज आप गेहूं को उगाना चाहो इस गर्मी के सीजन में, आप चना उगाना चाहोगे, तो ये प्रोडक्शन आप नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि ये सर्दियों के सीजन में पैदा होते हैं. इस समय आप बाजरा ले सकते हो, इस समय आप ग्राउंडनट्स मूंगफली की खेती कर सकते हो, ये सर्दियों में नहीं होती है. तो these are natural factors. If I want to increase supply today of wheat, gram, mustard, I cannot increase because the production has already took place. Whatever stock is available in the country, that is up to that we can supply. Beyond that we cannot supply, because we cannot increase production, because production is not in our hand, that is natural factor. And what is the facility of transportation and communication in the country? If transportation and communication is good, definitely it is going to affect our supply in favorable cases. We can be increase our supply easily. If more railway transport is available, bulk supply can be done from one place to another. So transportation communication also helps to keep check on our supply. So these were some factors which tells how our supply is going to affect. Thank you very much.